Okay guys, so I'm letting the wok heat up. I put some olive oil in. I've got some diced onions and carrots. This is for fried rice, so you could use whatever vegetables, you know, is your favorite or some that you like. We're just going to get these sauteed. Now, it's hard to give you an exact measurement for this because it's going to be to your own taste. You know, if you like your fried rice with a lot of onion, you'll put more than me, for example. But I would say start out with 1/4 of a cup of each vegetable. And I'm going to start, well, for me, I know 1 egg will be okay. I'm going to use about 2 cups of rice with this. I've already got that cooked. It's sitting on the stove waiting. I'm going to add just a little bit of garlic powder to this. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put my egg in. Okay, now I want to go ahead and bring in the rice. Cup. Okay, and then soy sauce is another thing that's just going to be to your taste. And this is my rice. Now, my husband has alpha-gal right now, so we can't add meat. Before, I always added diced ham, so that's something you might want to do. But I'm going to be serving this with chicken, so the meat won't be missed. Alright guys, hope you have a great week, and I'll see you back next week.